Harbor Freight 6.5 build. Got the flywheel off, side cover off, cam out, piston out. Timiski 275 lift cam. Pipe. Copperhead gasket. Autolite racing plug. Springs. I'm not using the springs though. Here's the flywheel that was on there, and this is the GX160 flywheel. They weigh the same, but this is a Honda, not the Chinese. I'd rather have American made. Here are the stock cams. Here's the flat top piston that was in the GX160 that I don't think I'm going to use. Here's the stock rod. Stock 22cc head. Here's the other motor, the GX160 that I took apart. Just a second. Here's that GX160 that I took apart. Everything's out. Here's a carburetor I found. It's a 44mm carb. I also have another one, that bag in there. There's my one of my animals, one of my three. There's a flathead, a race flathead. There's another race flathead up there. It's one of my junk Tecumseh Power Sports. There's another race flathead. Can't really see it. And another race flathead that you can see. There's another flathead, and another flathead. And here's one of the carts that we built. It is a late model go-kart. That has a flathead on it with a bugle pipe. Thank you.